There are several ways that you can add tables to a document, but one of the most unique, and perhaps the most fun, is to simply draw the table on screen. This quick tip explains how you can do just that. As an alternative to inserting a table using the tools on the ribbon, you can use Word's Draw a Table feature. Let me show you how easy it is to do this. All you have to do is go over and display the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to click on the Table tool right here. That displays a palette or a bunch of selections that you can make. We want to do the one that says Draw a Table right here. Notice that my mouse pointer then changes into a pencil, and I can move that pencil around wherever I want to on the screen. In order to draw the table, all I have to do is define the outside parameters or the outside boundaries of that table. I do that by just going over to where I want the table, and I'm going to click and drag down to define the box that is the outside boundaries of the table. Notice that Word then creates that, but I'm still got a pencil for the mouse pointer. So all I have to do is just start drawing. For instance, there's a row. I can draw another row wherever I want to here. Yeah, there's another, that's a narrow row. And we'll draw some columns in here as well. Basically, I can draw the rows and the columns any way that I want to in here. When I'm done doing the drawing, notice that the Draw Table tool is still selected. I could go ahead and click on that if I wanted to, and then my mouse pointer would return to normal. But it's also very easy to just press the Escape key. I press the Escape key, and you can see that my mouse pointer is now back to the way that it normally is, and the Draw Table tool is turned off up on the tools on the ribbon. At this point, I can continue to edit my document as I normally would. Now, like I said, drawing a table in this manner can be fun, and it certainly can be quick. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.